Mornings are weird. They're like the introduction to the day. Yet, seldom would they offer an indication to how the rest of the day is going to be. While we had breakfast at our Pondi Hotel's rooftop restaurant, we were oblivious to the fact that the day would bring one of the most singular experiences of our lives so far. Good morning. Good morning from Pondicherry. And we are on vacation and so is my voice. So, आज मैं कुछ ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पाऊंगा. जो भी डायलॉग है इनकी तरफ से.
मुझे तो मस्त मजा आ रहा है. जहाँ भी देखो इतना पिक्चरिस्क लग रहा है ना. Look at the beach. People are just दिन स्टार्ट हुआ है बट दिन के स्टार्ट में ये लोग इतना चिल है यार.
मुंबई की जो गाड़ी गर्दी होती है, सुबह उठ के भागना होता है ऑफिस के लिए, वो सब इधर नहीं है. चिल है.
Nice Tuesday morning.
Yeah.
I'm loving this kind of Tuesday. Anyway, we've had a really nice breakfast. The best part about it was my donut.
Yeah.
Chocolate filled. वाह वाह.
पेट भर के खाया है ब्रेकफास्ट सो दैट दिन भर सस्टेन कर सके. अभी लंच लेट होगा. Let's head out for the day now
Yes.
and get a little bit of Pondicherry in us. चलो.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need a fix?
Fleur de Auroville. Don't you think I sound very French with this throat?
Yes.
Got a
You're
French.
and you have Pondi vibes. Like
Pondi
quite
vibes.
literally. What I like is मतलब अभी तक तो अंदर गए भी नहीं है. बाहर से ही देख के what I like is there are very few places जहाँ पे ऐसे आने के बाद ऐसे लगता है अरे यार यहाँ कुछ बदला ही नहीं, ऐसा ही है. I think this is one of those places.
You were here, no?
I think it was what 12-13 years back. Like for example, why I said it was because वहाँ पर बाहर सिर्फ एक शॉप थी जहाँ पर चाय कॉफी मिल रही थी, छोटी सी स्टॉल. अभी भी वही है.
Blue dude, bad mood, sorta witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun.
It really felt like deja vu. Not from our POV, but from Auroville's. This had happened before.
Who's gonna say?
A man and a woman, unconfined by the bounds of religion, politics, creed, language, or nationality, arrived at Auroville. They saw a place that had nothing and envisaged one that has everything. They had one goal: to create something new and progressive.
Blue dude, blue moon.
Couldn't have found a better backdrop.
Auroville, of what we understand of the place so far, it's inspired by Aurobindo Ghosh and the mother. We can make it. Thank you. Speaking of Auroville, Auroville, of what we have seen and heard and learned about the place so far, Matri Mandir is named after her mother's temple.
She was his spiritual collaborator.
Partner. I think it's built based on their teachings and their thoughts and their philosophy, but it wasn't built by them or for them. It is built by people from all over the world.
So it's like an experimental township of sorts where you, no matter what caste or creed or nationality you're from, you're just here to live in peace and harmony. And like, you know, all the textbook stuff that they say, that is in theory, these people are actually trying to implement it and actually, like, you know, chart a new course.
And you say
for the
trying
future.
to, you say experimental, but it's actually not very experimental. It's working. It's really practical.
Been
It's
there for quite a while now. It
Yeah.
was started in what, 1968?
71. Yeah, but it's been more than 50 years and it's been working and working well, because look at the place. It's so beautiful. There's people from different cultures, different countries, different nationalities living at Auroville, working and living here together, and it's just
And they just want nothing. मतलब अपन ऐसे कभी बोलते हैं ना कि यार ये सब नहीं चाहिए समझा. These people are actually doing it. They said it and they got up and they came here and they said we are going to live it also.
no material possessions. Everybody
Yeah.
has a role, has a job, a part to play, and they do it smiling.
They don't have Monday blues.
Maybe they do.
मतलब उनका क्या Monday blue होगा कि आज धूप थोड़ी ज़्यादा है.
बारिश नहीं हो रही. Awesome. Auroville is awesome. Back in 1968, thousands more followed them from 124 countries and 23 Indian states, with a handful of soil from their homelands, and combined it as a gesture of human unity to turn a barren wasteland into a lush, thriving settlement. Hundreds of thousands of visitors have come and gone since then, but to be a true Aurovillian, one must put in great effort and sacrifice towards unity, towards progress, towards divine consciousness. As we moved closer to the center of the city of dawn, we started seeing things more clearly.
By the way, interesting fact, हम लोग जहाँ पे पीछे बैठे थे against that tablet of morning glory, उसके ऊपर लिखा था gratitude. So that is, the mother has given spiritual names to over 800 flowers over here, and they each symbolize a kind of spiritual quality. Isn't that nice? Over 800 flowers. And so here also you can see Madagascar periwinkle is assigned the quality of progress.
The Matri Mandir, or the Temple of the Mother, is the soul of Auroville. The golden beating heart, radiating energy, hope, serenity, and prosperity in all directions. Built over 37 years, together by the mother and French architect Roger Anger, the Matri Mandir is a gold-plated stainless steel meditation hall. Over 20 kilos of 24-karat gold cover its radiant surface. Words can't describe the utterly soothing effect it can have even on spectators, even on a hot summer afternoon. We hope silence can. How many drinks are you going to have? Beauty?
Let us drink and ride. I couldn't decide basically. There are like so many herbal and flower based drinks. So this is the red one is hibiscus. This I got purely for the name. It is called Radha's Consciousness Drink. It's blue in color because it's from that what's a blue bell flower. Aparajita flower. Aparajita flower. This I got for you mainly. This is immunity boosting. This is lemongrass.
Oh.
And what did you
This
get?
I got for myself. This is ginger kombucha for my throat.
Oh, this is lemongrass kombucha.
Too many kombuchas in me today. Let's cheers. What started as a man and woman's vision for the future today has over 2,500 people from 59 countries living together in progressive harmony. Speaking of harmony, it was time we went down to the source of it, where the city of dawn was conceived, the Sri Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry, where the tranquil silence of Auroville is taken to the next level.
पर बाहर इतना शोर है of the traffic and all. अंदर जाएंगे तो ऐसा लगता है यार मतलब magically all the sound will disappear.
So silent inside, and not even a single person is saying a single word. So it's that silent. So there's no photography and video inside.
और actually अच्छा ही है कि नहीं है.
Because then otherwise everybody's doing that only, photo or video लेते हैं. Yeah, there's a central shrine जहाँ पर Sri Aurobindo and the mother, both of them are in a marble samadhi.
I have always loved the roses that they. मतलब मैं सुबह बोल रही थी ना कि यार बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो नहीं बदली है.
There's a bookstore, there's a postcard store, you can buy things there.
You can read up also over there. Some people were sitting meditate करने के लिए.
Yeah, there were so many foreigners, so many people from all over the world जो आश्रम में सिर्फ मत्था टेकने को आए समाधि पे उनके. So
एक बहुत ओल्ड अंकल थे जो व्हीलचेयर में थे, उनको जो लेके जा रहे थे वो भी ऑलमोस्ट उतने ही ओल्ड थे. मतलब faith is something else.
after spending 2 whole days taking in the beautiful French Riviera of the East, it was time to bid adieu to the city. And what better place to do it from than the Rock Beach Promenade? Hello, welcome to Juhu Chowpatty. पाव भाजी खाएंगे मैडम? पाव पुलाव खाएंगे?
मैं पाव भाजी तो क्रेव कर रही हूँ थोड़ा बॉम्बे फूड अभी.
हाँ, एक्चुअली थोड़ा पाव भाजी मिल जाता तो.
लाया हूँ ना.
So we are at Rock Beach in Pondicherry.
Yes.
इसका नाम रॉक बीच क्यों है ये तो आप गेस कर ही सकते हो.
हाँ.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे ड्वेन द रॉक जॉनसन पहले रहता था. एंड रॉक बीच को थोड़ा गंदा करके रखा है लोगों ने. इट्स नॉट द क्लीनेस्ट.
थोड़ा इज एन अंडरस्टेटमेंट. मतलब ये क्या है?
ऐसी सब चीज़ें आपको यहाँ पर देखने को मिलेंगी. एंजॉय कीजिए. और पानी में उतरने का तो सोचना भी मत.
नहीं, आई एम नॉट वेरी. आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड कि पौंडीचेरी के बीचेस इतने ऐसे होंगे.
मेरे ख्याल से बीच खत्म हो गया. अभी यू टर्न मारते हैं. इस तरफ चलते हुए बात करते हैं. It's quite a long walk on the beach. The promenade is very nice to walk on in the evening.
It's about a 1.5 kilometer stretch, the promenade.
Wow. मतलब the beach is also that long.
हाँ.
It's rocky, but I mean only in certain parts. बाकी
Yeah.
चल के जा सकते हैं रेत पे वहाँ तक शायद. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मरीन ड्राइव पे चलते हुए जाओ तो सडनली गिरगांव चौपाटी खुल जाता है.
नहीं.
वैसा है. Lots of nice historic buildings here. There's the Chief Secretariat, which is the government of Pondicherry official building. And that's it for the day. That's it for
Oh, Pondicherry.
2 days of Pondicherry. Let's bid adieu to Pondicherry with a toast. Cheers. Pondicherry was something else. The couple days spent here made us realize why the French never wanted to leave the land. And they probably never did. We'll find out more on our next visit. Until then, au revoir.